That's one of the bigger ones. It's 34 inches. It's about 200 years old. Put as big a piece as you can in there. Self-propelled, about 1 foot per second. So this is one of those 200-year-old trees. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times 3. So we got 32 by 6s out of that 16 feet long, plus all that. Did it.
Oh, super. Just put it on top, guys.
That's the day. 3 feet. What a mess, man. This should never have happened, but this guy just won't listen. Do it now. I want it done now. Just chop them all down. And we're out here like little ants. Oh, damn it. Alright, let's see if we can get out of here. Can't tell you how unpleasant all this is. If I can miss that tree. There we go. There's another way to do this. It's called the right way. That's impossible now. Now this is going to be 2 or 3 weeks work going like this. 2 or 3 weeks.
You get them all down or limbed, bucked up, then I can come in here with the Bobcat and just grab them.
This Bobcat can grapple and move them around.
Stack them pretty easy.
Easier than this tractor can move long.
Yeah, we just get a few of them out of your driveway or wherever, and then I'll stack them all up.
Okay. 2015. We had a sprinkling of snow. It'll be going away. It's 11 o'clock already. So we have many, many trash fires to start. Why are we doing this? Because the tree fell back, bound the chainsaw, and we don't want the tree to go the way it's going. So he's going to build a road up here so we can get in front of that and make it go the way he wants it to. I'm going to show you some death. 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 Chemtrails. Chemtrail, even though it's faint. That's a chemtrail. They've been busy today. I just don't record them all. I record the spectacular ones. And so, pine beetle death. Alright, let's see if we can get up this time. I know when it falls over sideways, I don't want to be in the way. Just no traction. Just can't tell you.
I don't like that.
I don't like it either. Makes me so nervous. Alright, this spells success for sure.
Watch out.
I'm watching. I guess I was wrong there. Just that man's Anita, goodbye.
There now.
It's all cut down. I mean, you know, he's on like a 35-degree slope. Shit. Now he has to get out, you know. So we'll see how big he is. He's very quiet. He's not a mean, nasty snake. No, no, stay here. Stay here. Whoops, sorry. Oh, wow. He's got a lot of rattles on him for a little guy. Sorry, I'm trying to do two things at once. Make a video and pick up a rattlesnake. There, almost. Up in the sky and to your bucket. Okay, here we go.